A 3,300-year-old Mycenaean bridge in Greece is still in use today. Built between 1300 and 1190 BCE, the Arkadiko Bridge in Greece stands as one of the oldest arch bridges still in use today. Constructed using Cyclopean masonry, massive limestone boulders fitted together without mortar, it showcases the advanced engineering of the Mycenaean civilization. Originally part of a military road connecting Tiryns to Epidauros, the bridge's 2.5-meter-wide roadway was designed to accommodate chariots. Remarkably, this ancient structure continues to serve local traffic, a testament to its enduring design. Location: near the modern road from Tiryns to Epidauros, Argolis, Greece.